Welcome to this Zoom tutorial on how to create breakout rooms in Zoom. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a breakout room, putting people into rooms, visiting rooms, moving people between rooms while rooms are in progress, sending broadcast messages, changing settings, and closing the rooms. Before we start, ensure in your account settings that you have breakout rooms enabled. In your meeting, click the breakout rooms icon on the bottom of your Zoom window, or on the top of your window if you're sharing screens. Enter the number of breakout rooms you wish to create. Select whether you wish to assign participants automatically, manually, or let them choose their rooms. Then, click Create. To edit breakout room settings, click Options. Here, you can select how long the breakout rooms last, or how long you wish the countdown timer to last when you close the rooms. Click Open All Rooms to prompt participants to join the rooms. The participants will now be prompted to join the respective breakout rooms. You can join the breakout room yourself by clicking on the Join button for the desired room. Then click Yes. You can move people in between breakout rooms while they're in progress by selecting the participant, click Move To, and then select the room you wish to send them to. To send a broadcast message to all participants, click Broadcast Message to All. Enter your message and click Broadcast. To close the breakout rooms, click Close All Rooms. The countdown timer will now start, letting participants know that the rooms are about to close. That's it! Now you know how to create and manage breakout rooms in Zoom.